In a world that thrives on interconnections, the notion of BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, launching their own currency ceremoniously unfolds across bustling cities and tranquil towns. This narrative explores the unfolding impact of such an unprecedented move. The sun marked a perfect arc over Johannesburg as world leaders descended upon Sandton Convention Center. Inside, a palpable tension filled the air as finance ministers and central bank governors gathered around an oval table, their expressions an amalgam of determination and anticipation. Clutched within their hands were documents that would potentially redefine global economics, documents pertaining to the introduction of a new currency, dubbed the BRICS. Piyush Kumar, a seasoned economist from India, stood at the helm, presenting the intricacies of the BRICS. His voice, deliberate and assured, highlighted the economic boost this new currency could bring to its member countries by reducing dependence on the dollar. The inception of the BRICS, he explained, will allow us to lower transaction costs, stabilize inflation rates, and significantly bolster our collective bargaining power on the world stage. As the discussions progressed, the potential ripple effects began to unfold. In Sao Paulo, Maria Esteves, a small-scale entrepreneur, pondered over the developments as she transported fresh produce to the city's vibrant markets. She dreamt of easier trade routes and lower exchange rates impacting her business favorably, enhancing the affordability of getting goods across borders. In the majestic Kremlin, Sergei Ivanov unfolded a sleek parchment, studying the signature of President Vladimir Putin. As an aide to the president, Sergei understood the geopolitical gamble that lay before them. The emergence of the BRICS meant not only fiscal empowerment, but also potential friction with Western economies, necessitating deft diplomacy. Meanwhile, technology sectors in Shenzhen flourished with the rumor of the BRICS, viewing it as an opportunity to penetrate other member markets seamlessly. "Think of the tech trade possibilities," exclaimed Ling Zhao, a young entrepreneur fueled by untapped potential. As heads nodded in unison at the BRICS summit, the pact was signed. Around the globe, stock markets reacted unpredictably, but the determination of these nations was undeterred. The narrative left a lasting question. Would the BRICS rise to prominence, and how would it reshape the global economic landscape? Thus, as the sunsets painted landscapes in hues of orange and pink across 5 nations, the world waited with bated breath to witness the dawn of this economic marvel.